Hey, big man, sitting up. You showing off your sitting skills? Yeah? Tell me about it. How old are you? 5 months? Uh-huh. And you are a professional sitter now, right? Yeah? Oh, there you go. Can you get yourself back up right? Yeah? Show me. Show me how you can sit yourself back up. You can do it. Come on, buddy. You can do it. Unless you get distracted by your boppy. Oh, it's going to help if you let go of the owl. Too tired? You can do it, Henry. You can do it. Bring that arm around. Come here. Come here. Oh. There you go.